This is an introduction about Microsoft Excel. When you open Excel from the menu or desktop icon, the screen will look like this. Okay, so let me introduce you. These are minimize, restore button, and close button for Excel window, and these are minimize the restore button and close button for workbook. Okay, so don't be confused about these two minimize, restore, and close buttons. Okay, this is workbook title on title bar. This is file button. If you are using Excel 2007, then you will see here a Microsoft Office button. This is quick access toolbar, and these are ribbon, and these are tabs. Okay, and these are group on tab, and you can see here a button in the right bottom corner. This is dialog box launcher for the group. Like when you click here, a dialog box will open like this. Okay, this is the name box. This is formula bar, and this is current or active cell, and you can say this is a cell. This is known as column, and this is row. Then here is status bar. This is worksheet area totally. Then yeah, this is worksheet tab. By default there are 3 worksheet in a workbook, but you can insert by clicking on this button. Like I'm going to click here, so this you can see that now I have 4 sheets in my workbook. So you can insert more as per your need. Okay, and these are commands of group. So this was an introduction about Microsoft Excel 2010. Thanks for watching this video.